So I'm making a video on my Foxbody 5.0. I just pulled my transmission out of my car not too long ago. It's all dirty, very oily and whatnot. I had a really bad oil leak. Got the new one. Got the new one in. Y'all can't really see nothing probably, huh? Yeah, y'all can't see nothing. So got the new one in. The exhaust still hanging down. I'm just doing some cleaning. As you can see, all these tools still out. But got some hoses, some silicone SV hoses off LMR.com. You know, newer alternator. I have pony rims. I'm doing some cleaning right now underneath. As you can see, like this side is way cleaner. This side is way cleaner than this side. As you can see, like I said, I had a really bad oil leak. But I put a new oil pan on, or a oil pan gasket on, new rear main seal on, all new gaskets on the transmission, some pieces of new hardware and whatnot. K&N also, but I got some headers coming soon. I have solid motor mounts. I don't know if you can see them. Right there. I have some solid motor mounts on this thing. It's just a fun little car. But this is my first little video on my hopefully like a little cruiser drag build. I'm doing the automatic, so don't know how much power the AOD will keep up with, but yeah, this is my car. It's a 1989. Has a bit of miles on it. I want to say like 190,000 or something. Yeah. I got some rims back here from LMR.com too. Some SV, or the 10th anniversary Cobra rims. But this is my baby girl in my garage. Usually there's a 70 Mustang my dad owns that's parked in here, but he's been letting me use the garage to work on my little project. This is my first video I'm uploading, so if it's whack, I understand. One of my pony rims for the rear anyways. My car is super dirty and whatnot, but there's more to come, I promise y'all. Oh yeah, I also got an aluminum radiator. Don't know if I said anything on that. But yeah, thanks for watching.